Hi. Oh my god, what am I doing? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, you can do this. You are a powerful woman. What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer. So this might be the dumbest thing that you'll ever witness me do. Today, I'm coming at you, first of all, for my $5 knockoff fake Adidas t-shirt. This is how long my hair is right now. It's pretty freaking long. It's like down to almost my butt. Not quite to my butt, but like if I did squats, that's where my hair would be. But it's like to the bottom of the shirt. That's not a good measurement. Well, if I slouch, which I always do, it goes down to my belly button. Today, oh my god, what am I doing? I'm planning on cutting my own hair. And if that's not scary enough, I'm doing it with those like squiggly craft scissors. So a couple days ago, I went on Amazon and I ordered these squiggly craft scissors. I'm trying to be in Hulk mode, but Hulk, oh, JK, Hulk just came out. Since then, they have arrived, and I know you might be wondering, why don't you just go to a salon and get your hair cut? Well, you guys know I am a DIY channel, so in the spirit of DIY, I'm gonna cut my own hair. Now, do I have any experience cutting hair? No! I feel like that should be reason enough for me not to do it. But there's a first for everything, except for heroin. So, we have all of these scissors. And I do have to admit, we have quite the selection here. A nice Victorian cut, a loose beachy wave, a road that has too many potholes, alligator skin looking edge, some nice calm ocean waves, and then we have your classic bumpy road. Oh, okay, hold up. That was very violent, sorry. I should probably explain myself as to, whoa, this is like already malfunctioning. I probably shouldn't use that one. I probably shouldn't be using any of these. Okay, here's my take, and I can already feel everybody screaming at me. I feel like this might be able to allow me to bypass that step of like making everything uneven. I feel like regular hair scissors are gonna give me like that blunt, straight cut, which I don't want. I kind of want like some uneven bits, so maybe we should just get started. Okay, so I've watched a couple of hair cutting tutorials, but I kind of get the gist of things. And I'm also just like, how hard can it really be? Also, like, I don't really care about my hair that much. I'm like, it's gonna grow back anyway. My hair grows pretty freaking fast. So I'm thinking like a collarbone length. Right now it's just like way too long. I actually hate having long hair. It's just so much to deal with. Frick, what am I doing? Okay, okay. Woo, woo! Yep. I'm good. Yep. You're supposed to tie off 2 sections. I should probably not say that statement so confidently, like I actually know what I'm doing. I mean, sure. I don't know. I don't know. You tell me. Who am I talking to? Okay. Oh my god, what am I doing? What am I doing? So I tie off the section that I definitely don't want to cut, and then I'm gonna have to tie a second section. How are you supposed to know where to tie it? So if I tie it like back here, the front pieces are gonna be longer. If I tie it here, then the back pieces are gonna be longer. This is why hairdressers exist, because they know what to do. You know what? I actually like have high hopes for this. I probably shouldn't say that. Okay, now for round 2, I'm gonna tie it off at the length that I actually want my hair. I'm also getting very hungry, so, oh shoot, how am I gonna go out in public if my hair is looking like friggin' I just got a bowl cut? Okay, that's way too short. I figure if I cut it longer than I actually want, I'll have room to fix it. My hair right now looks like the leg of like a fancy wooden chair. Why is nobody stopping me? Okay, no, that's too short. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna try this first. That's gonna be super long. Okay, but I can fix it. Well, can I fix it? I don't really know. It's fine. It's really fine. No? Yes. Oh god. Okay, I'm going for it. Oh my god, no! No, I can't do it. Jennifer, pick up your self. I can't even give myself a good pep talk. No, I have to do it. 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 3, 2, 1.
With an all-new cutting-edge design, the squiggly scissor now comes in 6 different colorful models, offering a truly exceptional user experience. This product is not suitable for people named Jennifer who intend on using this to cut their own hair. Side effects may include embarrassment, regret, loss of brain cells, and/or heart failure.
Imagine if I actually put an ad right there. Oh my god, okay, I'm doing it. I started it, I already started it. No. Oh my god, wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I just heard the scissors snap. No. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my god, sis, this really ain't it. This really ain't it. Wait. Oh my god, I just gave myself like 100 split ends. My split ends have split ends. Okay, I get why people don't use these scissors now. This was such a, wait, I should just finish it though. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, this was like a bad decision, but I should just go through with it, right? No, why am I egging myself on? Do you see this? I need to show you how bad my hair looks right now. Do you see these split ends right here? Okay, change of plans. We're using actual just straight craft scissors. You know what? I'm gonna try until the end. No, why do I keep going back to this one? I know it's not gonna happen. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna happen. Yeah, this is a lot easier. I'm straight up sweating right now. No. Oh. No. What did I just do? Ah! Wait, it's so, ah! Wait, why am I scared of my own hair? I'm like shaking. What did I just do to myself? Wait, low-key like kind of cute though. Oh my gosh, it's so weird to hold your own hair like off of your head. It's still warm. Wait, I could be like Ava Max. I don't know what to do with this, but I feel kind of powerful though. Wingardium Leviosa. Comment what I should do with this. I guess I could donate it. What if I made my own DIY extensions from my hair? That would be crazy. I'm gonna try to use a different pair of scissors and I'm just gonna see if it works, okay? Like low-key feel like I might regret it super hard again. Like, did you not learn your lesson the first time around? Clearly not, but you know what? It's fine. I think this might actually be working. Wait, this actually looks better than the other one. Okay, queen. I probably shouldn't be calling myself queen when I'm doing something this dumb. You can see the wave. You can kind of see the wave. Okay, maybe not. Somebody come get their child. For the rest of the way, I'm gonna go with these scissors because it's just taking way too long. I did it! Oh my god, I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. Dude, my wig is literally off of my head. This is so weird. All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's see if my quarter-life crisis solution was successful. Wait. Oh my. Wait. Not the worst. Dude, not gonna lie to you, feel kind of powerful. I can't believe I have short hair again. I love short hair. Or maybe this is just my mind on adrenaline, like trying to keep me alive and like not have a mental breakdown. So the ends are like very choppy and blunt. So I'm gonna try to give myself some layers. How do I give myself layers is the question though. I'm gonna just go and like, oh, this is kind of a useful tip, but wear a white shirt if you're gonna cut your own hair, just so you can see the hairs. Well, I guess it depends on what color your hair is, but since mine is like pitch black, wearing a white shirt is kind of help. Oh no, sis. Okay, I'm seeing it now. I'm really seeing it now. Okay, wait, actually we should look at the back. I feel like that's gonna be the most tragic part. Wait, I kind of can't see it. Let me take a picture from the back. Oh no. Okay, that really ain't it. That ain't it, sis. Guys, I have an Illuminati triangle pointing right down to my butt. Okay, so how do I fix that? No, that's not gonna work. Do I just like grab it and cut? Snip, snip, which? Okay, so while this doesn't look the worst in the world, I think I'm definitely gonna need to go to a hair salon just because of this back of the hair situation. And if I want any hope to get married in the future or anyone to find me attractive, I should probably get it fixed. Actually, I just had a great idea. You know how those like transformation videos are really popular right now? I might do my salon experience in that video. Yeah, but I think it would actually be fun to FaceTime some of my friends and my family to see their reactions, cause like, hello? I did it! really bad. Okay, so originally I started out with the, and then it was giving me split ends.
Well, yeah, because it's a squiggle scissor.
But I didn't know that. I thought it would be like, oh, like it would give me like a nice wave texture.
No.
But yeah.
It's cute.
I know, I kind of like it like this. Yeah.
Wow, good job.
Thanks. Wait, I can make my own extension buns, like those face buns.
Yeah. And just clip it on.
Yeah. Kind of cute though. Is this a freaking white hair?
Wig.
No. Am I low-key 80 years old? All right, see you later. Oh, my sister's calling me.
Stop.
I did something. I cut my own hair.
No.
I thought it would be a good idea to use squiggly scissors.
Oh my god. Let me see your hair. Oh my god.
What? It's not that bad.
What? Ew. Why is there that one like straight? I thought you called me because you were like, oh my god, I messed up my hair. Which, that's kind of what it looks like. Okay, it's not like terrible.
Exactly.
But it looks like a dog chewed your hair.
Okay, well yeah, but it's like, it's a look.
Okay.
Like I can like, okay, the back is like where you're gonna be like, sis, this ain't it.
Oh! Wait, you look like a Star Wars character. Oh my god. Oh. Hair was that long.
Yeah. Bye. Last call. I'm gonna call Amanda. Amanda Rach Lee. Hello. So wait, did I tell you I wanted to cut my hair?
Did you cut it already?
I thought it would be a cool video to cut my hair with. I really did it. I really did it.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did.
Wait, I'm scared. Okay, go. Wait. Here you go. Wait, what? That look good.
I know, that's what I said. Like, look at this, like. Wait, okay, you're gonna die when you see the back though. Okay, have fun. That is it for this video. Hopefully it was entertaining because it was definitely entertaining for me to film. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know why you clicked on this video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! Instant regret.
Waking up in the